Well, hello there, Comets. Welcome to your daily CAPIT lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to watch and listen as we participate together. Let's get started, shall we? Let's get started on Lesson 12. This is CAPIT Level 3, Lesson 12.
Cats.
I noticed once again we have a base word and a suffix s. Remember, the suffix s made it mean more than one of the base word. I also have my pocket chart in case I need it. Don't forget about that.
Cats.
So I need to be careful. Did you see I got a little sloppy with my coloring? So I'm going to be careful to color each sound one color. In this word, I hear cats, k, at, s. So I colored each sound a different color.
Cats.
And now I get to spell the word cats. K, a, t, s. Notice when I spelled it, I said the sounds that I was using the spellings for. And it made a nice picture of cats. There are 2 cats.
Cats.
So once again, where did my card go? My card went into my spelling card in my pocket chart. I have my sounds in case I need them. I also have my advanced phonics sounds. And then if we click here, we have our spelling cards. And today we're on cats.
Cats.
Let's see what else we'll do. So now I'm practicing my sounds again. The spellings for my sounds, rather. And I also remember the alternate spelling for the sound. I think they're saying Yes. And it's okay. If I'm in the lesson part, if I'm not sure what the sound is, I can go ahead and try what I think it is, and then I won't lose hearts and stars in the lesson part. That sound is very similar to the last one, isn't it? Oh. That's the O as in line, isn't it? And I also know we have a O as in laptop. Now I see a spelling for a sound that I know. I know this sound is G as in ghost. I know that because his shape kind of looks like that ghost picture we had, doesn't it? So let's listen for this sound, G. I know this sound, I, as in iguana. I. I recognize this shape, ooh, as in laptop. Now I see a word. I know it's a word because it's made up of the spellings for a lot of sounds. So I'm going to blend to read it. Hats. I notice there's a base word, hat, and the suffix s. We've been practicing this word, haven't we? Hats is the sound I'm listening for.
Hats. Hats. Hats.
Hats. I wasn't sure. Did you hear the first one?
Huts.
Huts. That's a hut. Like if we go camping, we might live in a hut. And this one is
Hats.
hats. I have to listen carefully to that hat. It has a as in apple.
Hats.
Let's blend to read it together. Nets. Nets. The base word is net, and suffix s makes it more than one net or nets. Let's listen.
Melts. Nuts. Nuts.
Pump. Pump. You might need to tap this out. Pump. Remember, after you tap it out, to make sure you know the sounds by themselves, you want to blend them together. So we're going to start at the first two. Pump. Pump.
Bump.
Close, but no cigar.
Jump.
Jump.
Pump.
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 Yes. I know it's pump because it begins with p and has ump. There's that apostrophe. Remember we had the lesson about the apostrophe? Two words came together so fast, some letters popped out and an apostrophe took their place. We call these words contractions. This is the contraction for let us. The contraction is let's. Let's listen for let's.
Let's. Let's.
Let's go to the movie. Let us go to the movie.
Socks.
Socks. Now I'm going to use my magnet tool to listen to the word and then find the spellings for the word. Remember, the spellings have to be in the correct order.
Socks.
Socks. So I'm looking for s. Socks. I see ox. That's not it. I see axe. That's not it. We're listening for
Socks.
socks. Ox. Socks.
Lots.
Lots. I see this word ox and I see this word lots. They both have the ah. So I'm going to listen again.
Lots. Lots.
Lots. In lots, I don't hear k. Lots.
Ask.
Ask. Ask. Ask.
Camp.
Camp. Camp. Slide it. Camp. Now I see a word that I'm going to match the pictures to. I notice this base word is cat with a suffix s is cats. It means more than one cats. So this is the picture of a cat, but I don't think that's what the word is because I see that suffix. So these are two cats. Now I see the word mops. I see a mop and I see mops. Which one is it? That's right. It is mops with the suffix s, more than one mop. Nest. Nest. I'm looking for the picture that represents the word nest. Net, neck, nest, nest. Milk. I'm looking for milk. Milk. Now I see a sentence. I know it's a sentence because it starts with a capital letter and it ends with a end mark. In this sentence, the end mark is a period. Wet lips. We are listening for wet lips.
10 sips. 10 sips. Wet maps. Wet maps. Wet lips.
Yes.
Wet lips. 10 rocks.
10
10
rocks. Ducks quack. Did you remember this qua? Remember, when you're reading these, you can always pop open that pocket chart and look for the spelling for this sound and listen to the sound.
Qu.
Qua. So in this word, this is quack, quack. Ducks quack.
Ducks quick. Ducks quack. Ducks quack.
Cats rest on soft mats. Let's listen for that sentence.
Cats rest on soft mats. Cats rest on soft mats.
10 men fit in bus. Read it again with me. 10 men fit in bus.
10 men fit in bus.
Let's check it.
10 men fit in bus.
Hot pots. You ready to listen with me?
Hot pots. Hot pots.
Notice when we pick up the peg, we're able to check it as we slide across. Cats and ducks. Cats and ducks. Once again, I'm not going to spend time on that drawing because I want to get onto my hearts and stars and level up. So now it wants me to color each sound with my highlighter tools. Did you say it with me when I colored? You should be saying it while I color. Oops. I think I got the same color here. Let me make sure it's a different color.
Cats.
Cats. Now I'm going to use the keyboard to type cats. K-at. That's cat, but I need to add a suffix s. Cats.
Ducks.
Ducks. I'm going to use my highlighter to color each sound. D. Are you saying it with me? K. S. Did you notice these are the same color? Because it represents one sound.
Ducks.
Ducks. D. K. I know this is duck, and I use this spelling for the k sound at the end of duck, and then I'm going to add suffix s, ducks. And that's it for Lesson 12. Thank you for attending Lesson 12. In the next lesson, we will be working together on Lesson 13 and Lesson 14. I'll see you then. Have fun practicing what we learned today. So that's all for today, my friends. Thank you for participating in today's CAPIT lesson. I hope you learned something new. If not, I hope you had fun practicing with us. Now it is your turn to show what you know as you move along your path to mastery. Have fun, and remember, reach out to your teachers if you need help. Let's do this, Tigers.